promise that you'll never find another like me. I know that I'm a handful, baby. You know I never think before I jump, and you're the kind of guy the ladies want. And there's a lot of cool chicks out there. I know that I was psycho on the phone. I never leave well enough alone, and trouble's gonna follow where I go. And there's a lot of cool chicks out there, but one of these things is not like the others. Like a rainbow with all of the colors. Baby doll, when it comes to a lover, I promise that you'll never find another like me.
Hey! Hey! Hi guys, this is our first video, and today we are going to be introducing ourselves. So we're just going to start off with the youngest. So his name is Lucas. He is my brother, and he is 5 years old. Her name is Nicole. She is, how old are you? I'm 8. So she's 8 years old, and yeah. And I'm Kalina, I'm 9, I'm going to turn 10 in July, and we all live in Florida. Hello. Okay, hello, okay, so yeah. So we've seen a lot of people, like, they're like unboxing slimes from stores. So we're going to be unboxing slimes from Walmart, because, like, yeah. Whoa. So the first one is this mix and match. This belongs to Nicole. Thank you. So she's gonna open it and show you guys. And it did come with foam balls, but like we kind of took it out. And mixed it.
We couldn't wait until we took it out.
We're like so excited.
Yeah, come even move your hand. This sticks.
So here's a little ASMR. It doesn't really crunch because it's like Walmart slime.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to unbox another slime. This slime is a Nickelodeon slime.
It's supposed to smell really good.
Yeah, it's supposed to like smell really good.
I'm gonna drink water.
Okay. So it smells really good, and it has like these beads in it. Like it's clear. It's just covered with slime. It's like these tiny beads in it. And overall, I think it's really amazing. And I was really surprised of it because, like, Nickelodeon slime, you know, it's all that gooey slime. Because, like, the Nickelodeon show, they have, like, those gooey slimes. But it actually came out pretty good. I mean, it is kind of stiff, but, like, overall-y, I think overall-y is not even a word.
Overall-y, it's not a word. You mean overall?
Yeah, overall, I think it's pretty good. So, yeah, we're going to give you guys a little ASMR. So, can you hold the camera?
Okay, sure.
Sure. Do it. Sure.
Okay. I don't want my iPad to get in the slime.
Hey, that's mine. So. He's trying to find a dime that I, put somewhere. And I'm gonna try to make, like, a bubble. Like, people just, like, blowing it.
Oh, okay. Are you done yet?
Yep, sure. So.
Oh my god, my slime's going overflow.
Oh, yep. Like, these slimes, they, like, overflow. Do you want me to, yeah, okay.
The slime better.
So now it is time to. Okay, so this is my slime. That's her slime. That's her slime. And my brother, you're wondering, where's my brother's slime?
It is right there.
Ketchup. Okay, so when we opened it,
it was very bad.
Well, we opened it in the car. It's very bad. And then we added some activator. It fixed it. And then, guess what?
We went to the pool. And then we came back.
Look, it's like water.
It's just water. It's nothing.
That would be tea.
It's nothing like slime. It's just
like
water.
Oh, it's about to spill, so yeah.
Don't spill on the iPad.
It's
It's just water.
water.
It is water, okay? It's
And,
not
like-
even close to just the part. It's just water.
Yeah, so like later on we are going to try to like
Fix it.
yeah, we're gonna try to like make a video. It's like,
How did
oh
you say tries?
Okay, we're gonna like make a video of like fail slimes that we did before. Like we have a lot of fail slimes.
Yeah.
Like,
We made slime before, and then our
yeah, our grandma threw it away because
she thought it was too messy. But we still have one slime left, which is Lucas's, but he let me have it. It's
Yeah,
upstairs. It's up upstairs in the cockroach room.
yeah, we call it the cockroach room.
Because we found a ginormous cockroach.
Yeah, a ginormous.
Yeah, on top of Kalina. It was like right on the wall where she was like
Yeah.
sitting.
That was like so weird.
So we just called it the cockroach room forever. And now we have to sleep in her old room because this used to be her house. And then they moved.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's like some facts there. Okay, anyways. What the heck? Okay, anyways. Whatever. So like, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And overall, so I give this a 0 out of 10. Like I give this like maybe like an 8 out of 10. What do you give your slime?
I give mine like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, 7 out of
Because
10.
it's a little too sticky though.
Yeah,
We
so
can fix it.
technically overall it's like maybe like a 5 out of 10 for like
Like look at this, it's just sticking to my hand.
Yeah, so next time we might be able to like get more slimes and stuff.
Yeah, but we have to go buy it because our grandma doesn't like when we play with slime. She just calls it the waste of money.
Yeah. But guess what? We can make our own. We can just go buy some glue.
We just need glue, but we can sneakily take our Tide,
Activator.
which
yeah.
is Tide.
Yeah, we use Tide as an activator as the laundry detergent. Why are you so sad?
Bro, you have slime? You have slime stuck on his pants. Bro.
Oh my gosh.
Bro,
No, bruh.
we're gonna get in big trouble if our grandma finds out of this.
Also,
Just put it upstairs.
no, just look. Bruh. Like, legit.
Oh yeah, if our grandma does come in the video, she speaks a different language, so
Yes.
you might not understand her. We all speak that language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got slime on my shirt.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, hope you enjoyed this.
Oh,
And plus, like, yeah, I have my own channel, but I barely post on it. It's Kalina Feng, so go follow me if you haven't. And all Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, and Photo, if you guys have that app.
follow me.
Yeah, they both have it. Yeah, so it will be in the description box.
What's it called again?
TikTok.
Yeah, we
So-
both have a TikTok account.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed our first video, and like maybe comment some more ideas. that
Should
we
we
could do.
tell them our TikTok?
Oh no, our TikTok will be in the description box. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.